Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color. Kids now you coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color O-N-E 1. It's again use red color and draw 2 T-W-O 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color T-H-R-W 3. 4. The numbers of 4 and again use yellow color F-O-U-R 4. Kids night of 5. The numbers of 5 and use blue color F-I-V-E 5. Kids again use blue color and draw 6. The numbers of 6 S-I-X 6. Kids night of 7. The numbers of 7 and use green color S-E-V-E and 7. Kids again use green color and draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids night on 9. The numbers of 9 and use black color N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow ochre color Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use red color 14. The numbers of 14 and again use red color. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15 and use yellow color Kids again use yellow color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids now draw 17. The numbers of 17 and use blue color 18. The numbers of 18. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. A is for ant. B is for bus. C is for cow. D is for duck. E is for eagle. F is for fish. G is for grapes. H is for hen. I is for I slowly. J is for jackfruit. K is for kangaroo. L is for learn. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. R is for rat. S is for sunflower. T is for tiger. U is for uncle. V is for vanilla. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.